station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. With a full crew complement on board the space station, the orbiting laboratory is as busy as ever. Earlier this week, Roscosmos cosmonauts Oleg Artemyev and Denis Matveev concluded the 249th spacewalk in support of the orbiting laboratory. The duo spent 6 hours and 37 minutes on their EVA and completed their major objectives, which included the installation of handrails onto Nyoka's external shell and of a control panel for the new European robotic arm. The European robotic arm is a 37-foot-long manipulator system mounted to the recently arrived multi-purpose laboratory module and will be used to move spacewalkers and payloads around the Russian segment of the station. During the next Russian spacewalk, scheduled for Thursday, April 28th, the spacewalkers will continue their work to ready the new robotic arm for service. Friday, April 22nd is Earth Day, and one of the best ways to study our home planet is off of it. The International Space Station offers a unique vantage point for studying Earth from more than 200 miles above it. Multiple Earth-observing instruments are mounted on the exterior of the station's modules, including a limb full of cameras, science observers, and tools that hang off the edge of the station's Japanese experiment module. We're studying the role of plants in the carbon cycle, tracking the ozone, and the total energy flowing into Earth from the sun. This research is advancing numerous climate records and models. Earth-orbiting CubeSats are also regularly deployed from the station's airlock. Crews spend time each week taking photos of the planet from the orbiting lab's windows, and the astronauts even conduct Earth science experiments. All of this work provides insight into the climate of our home and how we might prepare for coming changes. We also invite you to view the Season 2 premiere of the NASA series Down to Earth. Astronaut Sunny Williams kicks off the new season with a conversation about viewing our home planet from 250 miles above. Earlier this week, the members of Crew 4 landed at NASA's Kennedy Space Center ahead of their upcoming launch. The crew will continue their final preparation for their mission, which will be NASA and SpaceX's fourth crew rotation mission of the SpaceX Crew Dragon spacecraft to the space station. NASA astronauts Lindgren, Hines, Watkins, and ESA astronaut Christopher Reddy are scheduled to launch from Launch Complex 39A at the Kennedy Space Center. If you want to watch any of NASA's full live coverage of upcoming events in space and on the ground, head over to NASA Television, the NASA app, or the agency's website. That's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.